I'm sorry about the audio because I realized that my mic wasn't recording at all. So, hello everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, I'm tired. Don't tell my dad, he doesn't watch these videos. I'm wearing my sister's merch, Black Helms, go check them out. A link in the description below to their Instagram. My sister's tattoo studio, so. What am I doing? Today's chocolate cake day. My dad's been requesting chocolate cake for weeks. So we're making a chocolate cake! And I'm sorry, I've been like going since really early. Today, focus. Today we're making a oil cake. Sounds disgusting, I know, but it ends up making a really delicious cake. Moist. To make this a delicious, decadent chocolate cake, here's what you need. 1 1/8 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 3 eggs, separated, 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar, 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of black coffee, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Oh no. Hello. Alright, so that is what we need, and here's what we do to make the cake. Let's get started. Step 1. So sift together your flour, baking powder, salt, and your cocoa powder. Oh god, I made such a mess already. Done! Lord, I made a mess! We're then going to beat our egg yolks and the rest of the ingredients. Can I keep a clean workspace, please? So now we get to beat the remaining ingredients together, and then we're going to add our flour mixture into that in a little bit. So once all of our ingredients are well combined, we're going to beat them for 3 minutes. Then we're going to add our flour mixture, which is all of our dry ingredients. So remember, egg yolks, do not add your egg whites. We need those to be separate. We're going to beat those up and then put them in there later. Okay? Okay? Gotcha. We do what I say, not what I do, because I'm gonna stuff it up. Just watch. There's a bowl. Look at it. Alright, so the rest of our ingredients are egg yolks. Oh, so cute. Oil. Vanilla essence. Ew, that looks kind of gross. Our coffee. Ew! And our caster sugar. Caster sugar, which I need to sift in here because look how lumpy it is. Good stuff. Now we beat it for 3 minutes. Add your flour mixture and beat until just well mixed. So literally until it's just combined. Let's just throw the whole thing in there. We're feeling reckless today. That is well mixed together. Look how delicious it's dripping off. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, that's even worse. Go away! Hi! Okay. So now, I need to clean this because they're 1, dripping everywhere, and 2, because we need them to beat our egg whites. Let's go. Oh, just in time for the bread to be ready. Aha! Excuse me for a second, but I gotta get some bread out of the oven. What am I doing? I am now beating the egg whites. Let's do it. So we're gonna beat these until they are stiff, but not dry. Ta-da! So it's pretty stiff if you ask me. So now what we're going to do is fold this mixture into this mixture. Let's do it. Whoa, hey there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is mix a little bit of this into that and then that into that. All right, makes sense? Let's go. This was a mistake. we're just gonna mix it into this. We're gonna fold it in there. Don't you know, sometimes I realize that something's a mistake a little too late. Just luckily this time I didn't. I don't know. That's probably a mistake. I'm probably doing everything wrong. I don't know how to bake. So once we have folded those in, we are going to put the mixture into 2 greased and lined tins. Cake tins, I love this big. Whoa. No. And then we're going to pop them in the oven at a moderately high heat. Can you decipher what that means? 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me check. It's 190 degrees Celsius. So let's pour our thingy into our thingy and stuff is happening. Where is it? Everything's a mess and I hate it. Wow, I did that way too slowly, but it's fine. Alright, let's throw them into the oven for 25 minutes, bitches. Alright, let's start. The oven, she's there. The cakes, they are here. Excuse my outfit. I have been doing things on the farm, so I'm wearing really long socks for no reason at all. Apart from, I don't know, what's kind of cold this morning. Alright, 25 minutes! I'll see you then! Day's done! Like really, this is the worst outfit I could have worn. Also, I'm sorry about the audio because I realized that my mic wasn't recording at all, so... Yes. Yeah, that's about right. That's about part of the course today. Alright, there they are, my cakes. I've got a crumbler. Okay, so we are going to leave those beauties to cool, and then we're gonna ice them with just a plain buttercream icing. So here's how you make buttercream icing. Wow, that looks dirty, but it's down there. That's where the dirt is. I swear I've wiped this counter down so many times. Keep in mind, kind of eyeballing this. Alright, so you need some icing sugar. A cup, 2 cups, however much you want. This is a little cake, so you don't really need that much. Some cocoa powder. So this is about 3 tablespoons. No, it's not. This is about 2 tablespoons worth. I like to add more as I go for flavor because I like it to be rich. We need some vanilla essence, guys. So, it's because everything's in the sink and I'm lazy to wash. So there we go. A dribble of vanilla essence. Then I've got some butter over here. You need a good lump like that. Whoa. Alright, and then you need a few tablespoons of boiling water. So I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna beat it, and I'm gonna add a bit more. Whoa! How about we mix it rather than making big mess? As you can see, it's a bit runny, so I'm going to add more caster sugar. Icing sugar is what I mean. Icing sugar. Yeah. So now it's time to pan away from that mess and decorate the cake. Decorate ice. Same thing. Bang! Bang! There's our cake. I'm gonna put it on a plate. Look how white it is. Everything is so beautiful, so beautiful, oh so beautiful. Yes, this cake is stuck. It's so stuck. Let's get the other one off in a little bit. There she is, friends. There she is. Let's do some icing. Right, once you've done that, take another cake and unstick it. Look at that. Beautiful, look at her. She's so cute, she's so pretty. Let's keep icing. Making cakes look pretty is not my forte. Let's cut into this bitch. Where's the knife? Ali, wiggle. No, go away, honey. You're making such disgusting sounds. Holly, get out. Whoops. Well, that wasn't as elegant as I was hoping it would be. That looks so good. Alright, so I have a spoon, it's fine. Let's give it a taste. That's some good cake. Yum. Seriously good. So good. So fluffy and moist and I know fluffy and moist don't generally go together. Yes, they do. Alright. That's something in my teeth. You get that reference? I'm my favorite person. That's that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me on this channel, then please subscribe. Alright, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Look at what I did. It's such a mess. It's cake. There's mess. It's cake. There's mess. Good Lord.